Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram app is not opening in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Instagram app is not opening, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your app store. Here you have to go for search and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to updating your app, and after updating you just have to simply go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. Or if you find this that your Instagram is on installing process, so you are unable to open your Instagram until it's completely installed. So you must have to wait. It will almost take 1 minute or 2 minutes. After that, you will be able to open your Instagram app. If you find any issue, you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's start this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, your issue must have to be fixed. Just wait for restarts. So after restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, this is the only way. Open your settings app for general, go for iPhone storage. Very first, you can try to make a software update. That you have to check if you have any software update here. Try to update your software, then go back from here, open iPhone storage, look for Instagram, and you have to try to offload your app. So after offloading or after uninstalling or deleting app, you'll be able to install or reinstall your app. And after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there is any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step. Then after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.